Good Wednesday evening, and thank you for checking out your Mr. Quik weather update. Severe weather rolling through the area late this afternoon and early evening. A threat should exit most of the area after 9 p.m. and it will be mainly dry tomorrow and Friday. Main rain chances should stay south of us here. Better rain chances return for the weekend. You can see we have a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. for Indy, as we do see a line of severe storms working through as we go throughout the early part of your evening here. It's been a pretty active past several hours, and you notice as we go through tonight, those severe storms will start to shift south here after about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the southern portions of the state tonight, and we will quiet things down, so you can kind of rest assured as we go through the overnight that things will quiet down. Looking at the 7-day forecast tomorrow and Friday, we're actually keeping things mostly dry. We've continued to lower those rain chances for those days. Only a 20% chance. Debated even taking it out, but I still think there's at least a small chance that we could see something tomorrow and Friday, but the main chance should stay further down in southern Indiana. And then this weekend, rain chances do gradually creep back up though, Saturday and Sunday. Not going to be washouts at all, at least here in central Indiana, but definitely going to see a chance for scattered showers and storms both days. The threat will linger into the first part of Monday before a cold front comes through, finally clearing the system out of here. And we are going to see a big cool down in the temperatures next week. We go from temperatures around 80 the next 5 days here, and then temperatures early next week down into the lower 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday, lows in the 50s. So we've got a nice taste of cooler temperatures as we go into next week. In the meantime, of course, we're staying weather aware here as storms continue to push through into the early evening hours. And make sure you have a way to receive alerts on your phone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great evening.